Hey everyone, welcome to Practically. So, in today's session, we are going to learn about the conductivity of metals and non-metals. Whether metals and non-metals are good conductor or poor conductor of electricity. Yes, so let's check whether they are good or poor conductors. But wait, what are good and poor conductors? Good conductors are those which allow the electricity to pass through it, while bad conductors are those which do not allow electricity to flow through it. We know that metals are good conductor, while non-metals are generally poor conductor or bad conductor of electricity. So in this simulation, what we are going to do is, we are going to check whether a particular substance which is given to us or provided to us, whether it is a good conductor or a bad conductor. So this is our goal, to make the identify that metals and non-metals are good conductor of electricity or not. Okay, so let's see. Here you can see a setup. Yes, here what you can see, an electrical setup. There is a bulb, there is a battery attached to it, then there is an opening. Okay, in this opening we need to place that substance which allows the electricity to flow through it. As when we put this substance into that particular setup, then it allows the electricity to flow through it and glows the bulb and makes our electric circuit complete. Yes, so let's say we have to choose for iron bar. Can you see the item section here? Now you can see this iron bar is our first substance. Now take this iron bar, drag it to this position. Now you can see the change. Here the electricity flows and the bulb glows. So what we do? We just take iron bar, drag it to the position, and we can see the electricity will flow. Now your circuit complete. So let's talk about the aluminium bar. This is about iron bar and we have to take now aluminium bar. Now same thing. Again, still the electricity is flowing. Why? Aluminium is also a good conductor. As iron bar is also a good conductor which allows the electricity to pass through it. Similar way, aluminium is also a good conductor of electricity. Now, if I took this copper bar, let's check copper bar. Now, can you see this? Again, the electricity is flowing. That means copper is also a good conductor of electricity. Do you know the electrical wire we have in our houses and offices that contains the copper wire? Because copper is a good conductor of electricity. Okay, this is the information you should know. Now, we will talk about a wooden bar. If we have provided a wooden bar, will it conduct electricity or not? Let's check. So, I will be placing this wooden bar. Just wait a minute. So, I will be just putting this wooden bar, take this wooden bar and drag it over here. Now, can you see this change? Suddenly, the electricity stops because wooden bar is a bad conductor of electricity. It do not allow the electricity to flow through it. Okay. For paper roll, what do you think? For paper roll, let's drag it over here. Now, can you see? Again, there is no flow of electricity. Why? Because it is also a bad conductor, or you can say a poor conductor of electricity. Now, if I took this glass bar, then again, it is also a bad conductor of electricity. Now we know that our iron bar, our aluminium, our copper, these are the metals. So metals are good conductor of electricity. While this glass, this wooden bar, this paper roll is made up of non-metals which are poor conductor of electricity. I hope now you have clear mind set up that what are good conductors and bad conductors of electricity. I will repeat again that good conductors are those which can allow the electricity to flow through it, while the bad conductors do not. That's all about today. Thank you. Thanks a lot.